Well, I'm very excited today. I got my Macintosh Classic 2 computer from 1991. I'm sure it's got a whole bunch of disk space and a whole bunch of memory. I bet I can surf the internet. Classic computer starting up. Okay, apparently it's a black and white screen because there's no sign of color. Little happy face computer on the screen. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Oh. Can you do it? Welcome to Macintosh. This is the oldest, to be honest, this is probably the only Mac that I would be able to afford nowadays. Because I'm a Windows user myself. Okay. It's taking forever.
I think we messed it up.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Where?
Dark there. Nothing's popping up.
Oh,
there it goes. There it goes.
What the heck is this crap? Somebody was messing with the files, and look at this file.
Yep.
If things don't work out with this, that's where it's going to end up. Mouse is not working. Can I do the keyboard? The keyboard is not doing anything. I'm pressing the arrows. Control.
Piece of crap.
Yeah.
Hey, there
okay,
it goes.
now the mouse disconnected. Damn mouse.
Oh, there went a couple keys.
Yeah. Mouse is gone. Where did it get away without getting destroyed?
I don't know, but
our
it go flying
standards.
towards me.
Here's part of it. Where's the other part of it?
I don't know, it's way over there somewhere, probably. Oh, we don't need that.
Yeah.
I mean, who needs a mouse these days?
Yeah. Well, let's see if we can get by without it. Okay, I'm hitting enter and it's... Oh my gosh, I'm hitting enter and it's actually registering as 1 for some reason.
I think you broke it.
Name 1 is already taken. Oh, look at this, I'm not even doing anything. Its key must be stuck. I messed it up already.
Damn. Well, you know what that does. You just gotta mess with the good keys. Get them to adjust.
Man, it wants us to load a program.
Called Program Dynamite.
Yeah, it wants us to load a program right in the floppy drive. Hold on. Is it going to work now?
Nope.
Nope. We need to load another one. Here, get a hammer. Get a hammer. Load that mouse.
It's called the mouse program. It's great, guys.
This keyboard is not working. See if that fixed it.
I didn't get into that.
It's done for him. Damn, I didn't even get past the desktop screen.
That's shit. Well, it's time for another program, maybe, possibly.
Yeah.
I mean, we could try.
We need to load support.
System support.
We're gonna load another program. I'm gonna shove it in there a little bit better this time.
God.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Let me fix this.
Fix it.
Watch out. I'm not gonna move.
Careful.
A little bit straight on this. Calm down. Go towards that. Okay.
Will it work as change it positions?
Oh, now we got a wireless keyboard.
Oh! Oh, look at this. Look at that.
After all that, it finally decides to go into screensaver.
Oh, look, I don't know if you can hear it. Yeah. I didn't even know
Wow.
how to speak it. It looks really good in black and white. What do you think?
No.
Still working?
Hey, we got other fishies.
Yeah, we did. Look at that. There we go. It is.
Hold on here.
Jellyfish.
Look at that.
Oh, I know what we can do. Look.
No, I gotta do bleach.
Bleach here.
A miracle grow. Maybe it'll grow bigger.
Where?
Here. Miracle grow, guys. This is gonna make a MacBook Pro right here. Now we need something that's
wash it down. Here. Let's wash it down.
We don't need any water. We're just gonna use tire cleaner right now. Oh, look at that.
Got brighter.
Look at that. Don't do it anymore.
Okay.
Oh. Look at that.
It's disappearing.
Slowly. Turn it a little bit. Move it. I would watch your hand. Well, I guess we should just hit it one more time for good luck before anything goes completely out.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get a MacBook Pro now.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh!
Might have to switch it to floor. Oh! Got something different. I think it's growing, Matt.
It's evolving. It's evolving.
Oh, listen to it.
Get back behind there. You gotta hear that.
Listen to that. Sounds like something's revving up.
Oh,
the screen's gone.
That doesn't sound good.
Listen. I'm disappointed. It's supposed to
last a little longer than that.
Oh, the speaker still works. It's still booting.
No screen. Well, that didn't last.
Yeah.
What a piece of shit.
Look at that.
Get that off the tire. Get that off the tire. It's on fire, by the way.
Probably got radiation coming towards us. Just look at that.
Dude, my leg's hurting. Son?
Oh, look at that. I can smell ozone.
What the hell are you talking about?
That bent out.
Okay, close the door.
It's time for brute force.
Look at that.
Let's see. Don't breathe the lead. There it is. Try not to cut the hands up.
Money makers.
Yeah. Okay.
Watch your head. Move. Who needs that shit anymore?
Damn printer. Now it's going to cause me to trip and break it back. There it is. Can't forget about this.
Big ass printer. Oops. Really? I knew that was going to happen. You hit my freaking toolbox. It's a freaking paperweight. The brick. Just drop it. There's a fan.
Where? Where's
Look,
the fan?
right there. Shut the door quick. Shut the door.
Multi-speed.
It's about to be broken speed.
Thing's built like a tank.
Oh my god, you hit it.
Built like a tank.
There's ink.
Where?
That's what you're stepping on.
Oh shoot. Oh my god. We're just the front side of
Home part?
yeah. Look at that.
Oh well. Thanks for almost hitting me in the balls.
And just tat one more. That's it. Get it down smaller. Let it throw up.
Why don't we just light it on fire?
Do it.
No, I can't.
Put in your burn barrel.
No. If I get yelled at over that one. Great, thanks. Thanks, I appreciate that.
Yeah. Alright, you gotta clean up.
Yeah, you better get some black trash bags.
I don't have any.
Go ask Tom.